Hello students, first exercise before up to 5 problems completed. Now sixth question. 3 friends went to a hotel and had breakfast to their taste, paying 16 rupees, 17 rupees, 21 rupees respectively. Means 3 friends continue, one member, first member 16 rupees, second member 17 rupees, third person 21 rupees. And first question, find their mean expenditure. First question, mean expenditure. Mean means nothing but arithmetic mean or average. What is formula of mean? Sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum of all observations by number of observations. So what is sum of all observations? First one 16 rupees, 17 rupees, 21 rupees. How many members? 3 persons. Number of observations is 3. Total add 16, 17, 21 will get 54 by 3. Here 3 cancellation, 3 ones, 3 eights. 3 ones, 3 eights means 8 in 3 is 54, 18 rupees. This is first question, mean expenditure. Next, second one, 3 times the amount. 3 times the amount spent equaled 3 times means 54 into 3 will get 62, 162. Here 162 rupees. For that mean equaled 162 by 3. So we'll get 54 rupees. What is this? Mean. 54 rupees. Here third question, if the hotel manager offers 50% discount, what would be their mean expenditure? Mean expenditure equal 18 rupees. For that discount 50%. Discount is 50%. 50% of 18 rupees equal 18 into 50% means 50 by 100. Here 1 0 get cancelled. 5 ones, 5 twos. Again here 2 ones, 2 nines. 9 rupees. Therefore, mean expenditure after 50% discount equaled. Mean expenditure after 50% discount is how much? 9 rupees. And last fourth question, the expenditure is multiplied by 3, then mean expenditure is also multiplied by 3. Multiplied by 3 means therefore they are in proportion. So we know that expenditure is multiplied by 3, then mean also multiplied by 3. So this is in one of the condition of proportion. So they are in proportion. Seventh question. Find the mean of the first 10 natural numbers. So, first 10 natural numbers. First 10 natural numbers. What are first 10 natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in that mean equal, we know that sum of all observations by number of observations means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 by number of observations. How many observations? 10 observations. Here total add will get 55 by 10. 55 by 10 means 5.5. This is mean. So here another method is there, formula method. This is mean, first to 10 natural numbers, finding that. Second method, so formula method is there. Second method, formula, sum of first n natural numbers. One of the formula is there, sum of first natural numbers. N into n plus 1 by 2. This is formula method. N into n plus 1 by 2. Here n means number of observations. How many? 10. Here n equal to 10. 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2. Here 10 into 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. Here 2 cancellation, 2 5s. Sum of observations by number of observations. Here 5s, 11 5s, 55. For that, here mean n equal to, again mean equal 55 by 10 will get 5.5. Eighth question, find the mean of the first 5 prime numbers. First 5 prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. These are all prime numbers. But here first 5 prime numbers, only 5. What are the 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11? These are first 5 prime numbers. For that mean equal to sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum of all observations by number of observations. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 by how many? 5. Here total add here will get 28 by 5. Here do cancellation means 5 5 is 25, 3 5 6 means 5.6. 5.6 is mean. Therefore mean equal 5.6. Ninth question. In a set of 4 integers, the average of first 2 smallest integer is 102 and then average of the 3 smallest integer is 103. Then average of all 4 104. Which is the greatest of these integers? Let the 4 integers take A, B, C, D, small a, small b, small c, small d. For that, given, so what they given? Sum of 2 integers means a plus b by 2 equal to 102. Means average of first 2. Average means sum of observations by number of observations. A plus b by 2 equal to 102. For this, a plus b equal 102 into 2. These two send that side, it will change it to product. 102 into 2 will get 204. This is equation number 1. For that, again given Sum of 3 observations means A, B, C. Sum of all observations by number of observations. How many? 3. Equal to, that value is equal to 103. Now A plus B plus C equal 103 into 3. These 3 send outside into 3. We'll get 309. This is equation number 2. For this, in equation number 1, substitute equation number 2. Here A plus B equal to 204. In this equation, substitute A plus B value means from equation number 1, A plus B equal 204. 204 plus C equal to 309. Got it? Here A plus B equal to 204. 204 plus C equal to 309. Here. Now C equal to, here 204 send that side. 309 minus 204. Here plus is there, send that side, it will change it to minus. Now C value 105. So in this is equation number 3, take C value. For that, next, again, they given again sum of 4 observations is equal to 104. Means mean of 4 observations. Means what are 4? A plus B plus C plus D by 4 equal to 104. A plus B plus C plus D equal 104 into 4. Here 4 send that side, it will change it to product. 104 into 4. 416. 416. For that, here observe A plus B plus C plus D equal to 416. For that, here A plus B plus C, we know that values A plus B value and C value substitute in this equation. A plus B means 204 plus C means we'll get here 105 plus D equal to 416. Here these two add 309. 204 plus 105. We'll get 309 plus D equal to 416. D equal to 416. This total plus value send that side, minus 309. Now 416 minus 309 will get 107. So what is this? D. Therefore D equal to 107. For this, observe total. Here A plus B 204, C 205, here D value 107. About these values, which is greatest integer? 107 is greater. So therefore, the greatest integer equal to 107. 107 is greatest integer.